The trap of impatience. How overtrading destroys your progress. You open your trading screen. The charts are moving fast. Your heart starts to race. You tell yourself, maybe I can catch this move. But deep down, you know this feeling isn't strategy. It's impatience. Every trader has been there. That urge to click buy or sell, just to feel in control. That voice saying, do something, don't miss out. But this is the trap. The silent destroyer of progress. Overtrading, born from impatience, ruins more traders than any bad strategy ever could. Today, let's talk about how impatience slowly eats away at your trading journey, and how mastering patience is the key to lasting success. 1. How impatience appears in trading. Impatience in trading doesn't arrive loudly. It creeps in quietly, disguised as motivation. You start your day with a plan. You promise yourself, I'll only trade my setup. But then, a small candle moves fast. A sudden breakout forms. And before you know it, you've entered a trade that wasn't in your plan. That's impatience, the illusion of opportunity. You convince yourself that being active means being productive. But in trading, action doesn't equal progress. The best traders understand, sometimes the most powerful move is waiting. You see, impatience is born from fear. Fear of missing out. Fear of staying behind. Fear of being wrong. But those who succeed learn something important. The market doesn't reward speed. It rewards timing. And timing comes from patience. The impatient trader chases candles. The patient trader waits for clarity. One trades emotions. The other trades probability. 2. The emotional trap of overtrading. Overtrading feels good at first. You feel busy, engaged, like you're doing something important. But soon, you start noticing patterns. You in one trade, lose the next 3. You start revenge trading, trying to get it back. And before the day ends, you've done 10 trades that weren't even part of your plan. You look at your account, and you realize you didn't lose to the market. You lost to yourself. That's the real cost of impatience. It drains not only your balance, but your focus, your energy, and your confidence. Overtrading doesn't destroy accounts overnight. It does it slowly, one impulsive click at a time. So ask yourself, every time you enter a trade, am I being patient or am I being emotional? Because if your trade is born from emotion, you've already lost before you even begin. 3. Mindful reflection, understanding your urge. Why do we become impatient? Because we want control. The market feels unpredictable, so we click more, hoping more trades will mean more chances. But mindfulness teaches us something different. Control doesn't come from action. Control comes from understanding. When you pause before entering a trade, when you breathe and observe your thoughts, you take back power from your impulses. That's mindfulness. It's not about avoiding trading. It's about trading consciously. So next time you feel that urge, the heartbeat quickening, the thought whispering, you might miss it. Stop for a moment. Ask yourself, is this trade part of my plan? Or is this my emotion pretending to be logic? That simple question can save your account and your mindset. 4. Building the patience mindset. Patience isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing the right thing at the right time. The greatest traders aren't those who trade the most. They're those who wait for their moment. Here's how to build that mindset. Start your day with intention. Don't open the charts to chase. Open them to observe. Watch. Wait. Let the market speak first. Have your plan and protect it. A written plan is your armor against emotion. Without it, impatience will always win. Accept boredom. Most of trading is waiting, and that's okay. Embrace it, because profits come to the calm, not the restless. Review your trades mindfully. Ask, did I act from discipline or emotion? Every answer shapes your growth. Remember, patience is not passive. It's a weapon. It's the trader's sharpest edge. 5. The lesson. The impatient trader trades noise. The mindful trader trades clarity. Every click, every chart, every candle is a reflection of your inner state. If you are calm inside, your trades will show it. If you are anxious inside, your trades will show that too. Trading is not just about charts and numbers. It's about mastering yourself. You don't need to trade every opportunity. You only need to trade your opportunity. So slow down, be mindful, and remember, every patient trader was once an impatient one who finally decided to stop fighting the market and start listening to it. If this message spoke to you, if you've ever felt the pain of overtrading or the frustration of chasing the market, then you already understand the first step of growth, awareness. Be proud of that, because awareness is the start of mastery. And remember, we upload new mindful trading videos every week to help you grow with peace and clarity. So please, like this video, share it with someone who trades, and subscribe to Mindful Trade to join a community of patient, focused traders. Mindful Trade, master the art of patience